with you. CBSE 12th Board Exams 2021. What is the demand and advice of which state regarding the CBSE 12th Board Exam? Learn CBSE 12th Board Exams 2021. While students and parents were demanding the cancellation of CBSE Class 12th exams amid Corona crisis, after a high-level meeting chaired by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh on Sunday, it has been clearly said that the Class 12th exams will not be cancelled. There is a possibility that the 12th board exams can be held in July. At present, the central government has asked all the states for the written opinion on this matter in the next 2 days. Due to outbreak of Corona, the CBSE Class 10th examination was cancelled recently while the Class 12th examination was postponed. At the same time, students and parents have been demanding cancellation of the 12th examination too for a long time. In the midst of all this, a high-level meeting was held on Sunday under the chairmanship of Defence Minister Rajnath Singh for the CBSE classes 12th class and many competitive examinations. During this meeting, the central government has said that a decision will be taken before the 12th of June and the date will be announced. At the same time, I'll tell that most states except the national capital Delhi have suggested to conduct 12th board examinations. The meeting was chaired by the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. Explained that in high-level meeting chaired by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Union Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, Union Women and Child Development Minister Smriti Irani, Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar, including Chief Minister of several states, Deputy Chief Minister, Education Minister and Education of State apart from Secretary, CBSE National Testing Agency, senior officials of Union Minister of Education were involved. During this, there was an intense discussion about the CBSE Class 12th exams. Many states except Delhi are in favor of 12th examinations. In the long meeting that lasted for the 3 years, most of the states except Delhi appeared to be in favor of the 12th examination. The Union Cabinet Group and CBSE were also ready to conduct limited and important subjects of examination in the view of the future of the students. On the other hand, except for some states including Delhi and Maharashtra, others have supported to the conduct of examinations, according to an official who attended the meeting of State Education Ministers and Education Secretaries headed by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh on Sunday. Examinations should be done in 19 major subjects. Let us note that most of the subjects have supported this proposal of CBSE to conduct Class 12 board examinations for only 19 major subjects in short format in July to August. At the same time, many states like Kerala, Assam, Delhi, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana and Meghalaya have asked the central government to give vaccination on priority basis to the teachers and students at the examination center to ensure their safety. Opinion is sought in writing from all states on 25 May. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, who was presiding over the meeting after discussing with the minister, said the priority of the government is to conduct all the examination in a safe environment. All the states have been asked to give their opinion in writing on 25 May. That is the next 2 days, on which the Ministry of Education will review and a final decision will be taken on 1st June. If sources are not to be believed, in the first week of July, an examination of about 20 important subjects can be conducted. After this meeting, it has become clear that CBSE 12th examination not to be postponed. These states supported conducting the examination. According to sources, the states of Uttarakhand, Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Chandigarh, Assam and Tamil Nadu, etc. supported conducting the board examinations in a short format. At the same time, Punjab instead are conducting the examination in person, even if it is for some subjects only. Karnataka and Puducherry have agreed to the decision of the central government. What will be the format for the 12th exam? According to the information, CBSE Class 12th examination can be conducted for only 19 major subjects out of 174, and it is likely that it will be scheduled in 2 phases from 15 to 30 July and 1 to 14 August. Each exams will be of 1.5 hours instead of 3 hours, and this question paper will be contain only objectives and short answer questions. Significantly, a CBSE student takes a minimum of 5 and maximum 6 subjects for a major which are usually major subjects including physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, history, political science, business studies, accounting, geography, economics and English is included. CBSE had given 2 options for the 12th exam. According to media reports, CBSE has presented 2 options to the panel regarding conducting Class 12th board exams. As a first option, the National Board has suggested that 19 core subject exams are in the current format and designed the examination should be conducted off center and the marks of minor subjects should be calculated on the basis of performance in major subjects. It is to be noted that the option will require 1 month for pre-exam activities and 2 months for conducting the examinations and declaring the result of 45 days for compartment examination. If you're watching on Facebook, then follow this page. If you're watching on YouTube, then like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you.